Ranked as the third best-selling vehicle in the Philippines, the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is known for its practicality, fuel efficiency, and affordability, making it ideal for daily driving. It comes in 5 variants, and in this review, we're focusing on the GLX CVT, the most budget-friendly automatic option. Overall dimensions. The Mirage G4 has a gross weight of 1,335 kilograms and a curb weight of 980 kilograms. It measures 4,305 millimeters in length, 1,515 millimeters in height, 1,670 millimeters in width, and has a wheelbase of 2,550 millimeters. This gives it a compact footprint that's easy to handle in city traffic, yet long enough to offer a comfortable cabin and a 351-liter trunk space. With a tight turning radius of just 4.8 meters, the Mirage G4 excels at navigating tight corners and making U-turns on narrow streets. Thanks to its 170 millimeters of ground clearance, giving it just enough height to comfortably handle speed bumps, rough roads, and minor flooding, while still feeling stable during cornering. The front suspension features a McPherson strut coil spring with stabilizer, while the rear suspension is a semi-independent torsion axle. Stopping power is provided by 14-inch ventilated discs at the front and drum brakes at the rear, all fitted within 15-inch wheels wrapped in tires with a 185-millimeter width and an aspect ratio of 55. Equipped with a donut spare tire on a steel wheel, stored underneath the trunk. These space-saver tires are designed to be lighter, more affordable, and easier to store than full-size spares, making them a common feature in many vehicles. Engine and transmission. It is equipped with a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder engine featuring Mitsubishi innovative valve timing electronic control, a dual overhead camshaft, and a 12-valve inline layout, known for its fuel efficiency and reliability. This engine produces 76 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 100 Newton-meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. It is paired with a continuously variable transmission. It uses regular gasoline and has a 42-liter fuel tank, making it economical for commutes and long trips. In a fuel economy run, the CVT variant achieved 22.8 kilometers per liter. The Mitsubishi Mirage G4 features the brand's signature dynamic shield grille, highlighted by horizontal slats and C-shaped chrome accents that flow into the headlights and front bumper, creating a sleek, unified appearance. The bumper itself is defined by crisp lines and sculpted contours that improve aerodynamics, while a wide lower air intake gives the front end a sportier vibe. A fog lamp slot with angular housings is already provided for future installation. The slender, angular headlights give the car a sharp look, with multi-reflector halogen. The G4 features a front wiper system with various settings, including intermittent and variable speeds, to adapt to rain intensity. It also includes a windshield washer system that sprays fluid when the wipers are activated, helping to clean the windshield and enhance visibility. The GLX is equipped with fender-mounted signal light, also called a side-turn signal light. The outside rear-view mirrors are power-adjustable for convenient viewing angle adjustments and can be folded manually when needed. The colored door handles are designed to match the car's body color, blending seamlessly with the rest of its exterior styling. It features a slim pole antenna that delivers clear radio reception while maintaining a clean and streamlined look. Let's take a look at the stylish rear design. It keeps things neat and compact, with large, highly visible taillights that enhance both safety and aesthetics. Just above, the LED high-mount stop lamp is positioned higher than the main brake lights, offering a clearer signal to vehicles behind. A subtle lip integrated into the trunk adds a sporty touch, while the rear bumper features built-in reflectors that boost visibility in low-light conditions. The rear window features a timed defogger that quickly clears condensation or frost, improving visibility and safety in cold or humid conditions. Starting with the seats, the G4 comes equipped with fabric upholstery, offering a comfortable and durable seating experience for all passengers. For the driver, the 6-way manual seat adjustment ensures a customizable seating position, giving you the perfect balance of comfort and control. The 4-way manual adjustment on the front passenger seat allows for easy modifications to suit different body types, ensuring everyone enjoys a comfortable ride. Positioned above the windshield, the flip-down sun visors shield against sunlight and include built-in vanity mirror and card holder, allowing the driver or passenger to keep essential cards or parking passes within easy reach. It features multiple cup holders, including those in the front center console, bottle holders in the front doors, and additional cup holders for rear passengers, providing convenience for everyone in the cabin. The dashboard features a clean, functional design with a symmetrical layout and smooth curves. While it's mostly made of hard plastics, it feels solid and durable. At the center, you'll find a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that includes Bluetooth, USB, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, with 2 front speakers. Right below the screen are rotary dials for manual air conditioning, big, tactile, and easy to reach even while driving. The steering wheel is a basic urethane 3-spoke design with electric power steering and features a tilt-adjustable steering column. It is integrated with audio remote controls and voice command functionality, paired with a microphone located in the overhead console alongside the room lamp. Behind the wheel, the instrument cluster is straightforward, featuring analog gauges for speed and RPM, along with a small digital display for the trip meter and fuel economy. A traditional mechanical key ignition is located on the right side of the steering wheel, providing a straightforward and dependable alternative to the push-button systems found in higher trims. The GLX also features keyless entry for unlocking the doors, a USB port linked to the infotainment system, and a 12-volt socket below the front center console offer convenient charging and media connectivity for front passengers. The glove box provides a modest amount of storage space, ideal for keeping essential items like the vehicle manual, registration papers, and small personal belongings. The driver's power window with auto-down and power door locks add convenience and security through thoughtful design details. When it comes to safety, the GLX covers the basics to help keep you and your passengers protected. Up front, you get dual-stage airbags for the driver and front passenger. These are designed to deploy in the event of a serious collision, helping reduce the impact on your upper body and head. The front seat belts come equipped with pretensioners and force limiters, tightening the belts instantly during a crash to reduce slack, then easing slightly to minimize chest injury. In the back, you'll find 3 3-point seat belts, offering secure restraint for all rear passengers. Everyone gets a proper seat belt, not just the outer seats. It is also equipped with an anchor hook for an ISOFIX child seat. Extra protection against theft. The engine can only be started when a dedicated key with matching authentication code is used.